Hello, I am Dr. Manjari Varsankar, Director, Bhide Hospital Test Tube Baby Center, Navi Peth, Pune. Today, we are going to talk about a very different kind of a subject, but which is extremely a reality in most of the IVF centers. Now, in normal men who can easily give samples, on the day of surgery of the wife, around 10% of the men fail to give samples of the semen, and it can cause a lot of inconvenience to the entire IVF procedure. So how do we go about this? Now, whenever a ovum pickup surgery is scheduled, whenever the patient starts test tube baby, these things are discussed with the doctor. It is very important that the couple as a whole opens up before starting any test tube baby procedure, whether the husband has any problems in giving semen at the time of surgery. Does he get apprehensive? Of course, one semen analysis is always done before starting any test tube baby procedure, and the relevant medications are always given to increase and step up the quality of the sperm so that the success rates in test tube baby are better. But we as a institute do understand that it is extremely common for men too to get stressed on the day of surgery of their wife, and it can be just because of the stress or the foreign atmosphere of the test tube baby center that the man may not be able to ejaculate and give a sample. Now, in such situations, when the eggs are already collected by doing a surgery on the lady, we don't have a choice other than just freezing the eggs, and at a later date when the man can give the sample, we again thaw the eggs and then make the babies at a later date. This particular procedure hampers the success rate by 50 to 60%, and hence to prevent these kind of stressful conditions in men, it is important that you can freeze 1 or 2 casual samples before the test tube baby procedure is started. Now, what are the advantages? That whenever the freezing of the sample is done, the collection is done at the center. So it is like a rehearsal for the actual day procedure in which the stress level of the man is already reduced. Second thing is that when the surgery is not happening and when a sample is frozen during the procedure of injections, so when the husband has his own time to give the sample and he is not stressed, or there is no surgery immediately that he has to deposit the sample within an hour's time or so, and hence the man is relaxed and there is a good amount of breathing time which is available to give the sample. We have noticed that these samples are much better than the samples that we actually get on the day of the surgery, though we always prefer to use fresh semen samples for best success rates. So in case your wife is undergoing a test tube baby procedure, be frank enough with your doctor. If you have issues in collection, discuss this at length frankly with the doctor so that they can give you options of elective semen cryopreservation or elective semen freezing, so that you are not stressed on the day of surgery of the test tube baby. You can be free in your mind because you already have one sample and you can take your own time to give the sample on the day of your wife's surgery. Thank you.